Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Shish. For those who are new here, karibuni sana. For the new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing and karibu sana. And also for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for sticking by and also for checking on us. So guys, for those who are new here, as I have said, my name is Aisha Shish. Here is where we live the life, we love the life and enjoy the life. No matter where you are, no matter the background, the situation, we just live the life and love it. So guys, this is the next day. So this is the next day from my previous video that I uploaded. So this is the next day. It's on a Monday. I unhung my clothes, but I didn't get to fold them. So today is the day that I'm going to fold them. Here it's not early in the morning, but it's almost 9. It's almost 10. So we woke up and I decided, because already I had cooked some porridge for my baby, I decided let me first do the folding. So here I'm making my bed. After making my bed, I'm going to fold my clothes. So guys, stick by and watch till the end and hope you're going to enjoy. And if you're watching, you've not yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, and comment down below. It will help me so much, and it will help my channel, that is. So guys, stick by, watch till the end.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing.
So guys, at this point I was folding all the lassos, all the pillowcases, the bed sheets, and also the duvet. I was first folding them. Then I will get to separate my clothes with my baby's clothes, so that I can first fold my clothes, then I get to fold my baby clothes. So guys, enjoy the song as you watch.
Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, beside you. I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would.
So guys, at this point my baby joined me and he was so stubborn. He was really stubborn, but I made it through. Yeah, and I'm almost finishing up. Yeah, and I love it. Yeah, whenever I fold my clothes I usually feel good. I really feel good because huwa zinanipea stress. Manguo nikifua una feelingi vizuri, but the next round you feel, oh my, I need to fold those clothes because you can't, huwezi ziachanisha hivyo. Yeah, so guys, I'm really feeling good about folding the clothes. Yeah, and I'm saying that because I'm that one lazy person who doesn't love folding clothes at all. Like, for real. When I started this YouTube channel, yeah, and I started doing this, it really motivates me a lot. It really motivates me a lot. I know those who knows me, my close friends, those who knows me better, they know I hate folding clothes. Neza fua nguo piles and piles of clothes, but folding them, wah, for real. YouTube has really motivated my moods in folding clothes, and also I guess and hoping that I'm motivating someone out there who doesn't love doing this work, like this folding clothes and whatever and whichever, even cooking or anything. Hope I'm motivating someone out there. Yeah, and we are good to go. So guys, hope you're watching the video. I hope you're enjoying the video, that is. Yeah, and now I want to pack the clothes in my bag. So guys, I'm done with the arrangement, the folding. Yeah, and so here I've folded all the tops. These are all the tops, and from here these are the night dresses. Yeah, yani the gown dresses. Yeah, and here these are the tights and the trousers. And here these are the skirts and the little bit of tops zenye hazijatoshea hapa nikazieka hapa. So skirts, dresses, yeah, skirts, dresses, all mixed, skirts and dresses, and trousers and tights, yeah, and also night dresses and all tops. Yeah, for the sweater I hung the sweaters, and since I haven't, zingine hazijatoshea, ndaziekelea juu. Yeah, ndaziekelea hivyo juu hadi hizi trao zingine hazijatoshea bado, tazieka tu juu hivyo. So in case I need something inside, ndakuwa tu natoa hizi, natoa then narudisha. Yeah, before I get a bigger bag. Yeah, and here I put all my kofias. These are the kofias that I wear zenye kuna baridi, and vitambas za kichwa. Yeah. For my baby's bag, here hapa nimeweka all the sweaters. He has so many sweaters. These are sweaters, the trousers, the tops, and these are the heavy trousers. As you can see, these are the heavy trousers. So hizi siwezi ziweka juu ya kukula space, so naziekeleanga juu. And these are the tops also, not tops, the t-shirts and the onesses. And here these are the the vests. Yeah, and towel. Yeah, these are the towels. Yeah. So, and here I put all the necessary items like the capes, kofia, socks, bathing towels and all stuff. Hapo ndio naziekanga zote, nazingishanga hapo zote. So since also the bag is small, hizi heavy trousers naziekeleanga tu juu. Yeah, like that. So that's how I do it. Yeah. And as I fold, nguo zenye nimefua huwa natoa nguo zenye ziko kwa bag, nazitoa kwanza, naeka nguo zenye nimefua chini, ndio narudi naekelea zenye zilikuwa kwa bag juu. Unaona? Ndio tusishinde tukivaa nguo moja every time. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, and I love it. Hope you're enjoying the video, guys.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll try to fix it. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll change it. Inside of me, in this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon.
So guys, we are done. Kai vile nasikia Tija. Nimechoka kai, like mimi folding clothes. It's a lot of work to me. Yeah, I'm even feeling back pain here because sijakaa chini niki fold, but kama ningekaa chini singeweza kufold. Baba ni nini? Akisha stima. So guys, that's it for today. Yeah, and So after here I'm going to bathe. Yeah, so for my baby in this weather, is it in this weather or in this weather? Anyway, for my baby, hii wakati ya hii weather, like it's cold, it's wet. Yeah, huwa simwoshi kila siku. Yeah, so I usually look at the weather ndio najua na determine kama nitamuosha ama sitamuosha. So that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you've watched till now is it till now? Anyway, mimi kizungu yangu mimi nitakuwa naongea Kiswahili. Kizungu saa zingine inakatanga kunini. Of which at least if I speak Kiswahili, I know kuna wase like international people like from other countries, they would like to be watching, but sikuna hiyo sisi hapo. Yeah, so me will be speaking Kiswahili whenever I can. Yeah, and so guys, that's it for today. At least when I fold clothes, when I wash dishes, that's yani I feel good. I feel like I've done everything in the house. Yeah, like there is that feeling mtu feel when you've washed your clothes, when you fold them, you can even sit down, relax, eat what you've cooked and watch a movie, comfortably. Anyway guys, hope you've enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for subscribing. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, you like, and if you've watched till this far guys and you've not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, you like and share. What else should I say? Nothing. So guys, bye, see you on my next vlog. Hope I've motivated someone. Yeah, so I'm just going to bathe, then tuende kwa shusho ya Tijan. Twende wapi? Yeah, so bye Tijan, minda